Hey guys, and this video is gonna be just a speaking video where I'm speaking to you guys and summarizing what results did you get on trading this week, particularly. And that was the first week trading on YouTube and posting it on documenting it on YouTube channel, and as a result were not that satisfying. I've lost like approximately $400 on that week. I'm still up in the months like $300, but I'm halfway to pass my first evo because I'm like $520, 525 probably on my FTMO challenge account at the moment, and to fully pass it, I mean the evolution phase, I'll have to get the $1,000 plus, basically 11,000. So it's halfway again. I've been that, and in the beginning of that week I was at $850. So I've lost a significant amount, and I was fucking one trade away of passing my first ever evo. Unfortunately, I didn't steal, but I haven't blown my account, so there is no point to feel regret about that. But I've lost a few trades completely because of my mistake, so I'll work on that on those weekends. I'll be working my shift on McDonald's. I'll be thinking of how bad I was risking, how bad I was taking trades, which were absolutely unnecessary. If you've been through that week with me, guys, thank you pretty much, and we'll see you in the next week. So thank you guys for being through that path with me, and it is just the beginning, and I'll be also posting some backtesting as I did, but I won't be doing backtesting due to me forgetting to record trading view again as I did yesterday. I'm sorry for that, guys, but that won't repeat again. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you later on Monday. So see you guys.